Welcome to 8051 Microcontroller Practical Session. Today we are going to see how 8051 Microcontroller is interfacing with stepper motor. First we are going to open the Keel Microvision 5 software. Click Project. There you have to select New Microvision Project. Now you can see Create New Project dialog box. There you give your file name. Example. My file name is step motor and then save the file name. Now you can see Select Device for Target 1 dialog box. Here you select Atmel. It shows the list of controllers. According to your program, you have select AT89C51 microcontroller. Then click OK button. Microvision dialog box is opened now. Select Yes button. Then, if it is asking file startup.A51 already exist overwrite? Here press Yes button. Now you can see your project. Click the Create an empty document icon. New empty text document is opened now. Here type your program. Then press Save icon. It will ask the file name for the new document. Now I am giving the file name as stepmotor.a extension, which is equivalent to project name. Then click Save. Now you want to add this file with your source group. In the window left side, below the target 1 source group 1 is there. Right-click it. Now you can see the list below. From the list you have to select the Add Existing Files to Group Source Group 1. New dialog box is opened now. Here, my file step motor is not there, because it is showing only .c extension files. I am pressing the drop-down menu. Here I am selecting ASM source file star.a star option. Immediately, you can see the files with A extension. From the list, I am selecting my file stepmotor.a extension. Press Add button. And close. Now your own program is added with your project. Source group. Next step is create the hex file. For this you have to press Options for target 1. New dialog box is opened now. Here you give your processor crystal value. For my project, I am using 11.0592 MHz crystal. Then go to the Output tab. I am going to check Create Hex File checkbox. Then click OK. After clicking the OK button you can see your old window. Next step is build the target files. Click this icon to check errors. If no error, your file will automatically create the hex file. Otherwise, you have to correct the errors. Then rebuild once again. Now you are ready to give the circuit connection. Minimize the Keel Microvision 5 window. Open Proteus Design Suite 8.0 software. Now you can see Proteus 8 Professional home page. Here click Schematic Capture icon. Schematic Capture window appears. In this window left side toolbar is there. We are going to select the components from the toolbar. So I press the component mode icon. Then click the P sign. Pick Devices window is opened now. In the keywords text box you can give your device's name whatever you want. Now I am preferring AT89C51 microcontroller. Here we can see the list. From the list, I am selecting AT89C51MCS8051 microcontroller. Double-click it. It is selecting in the device's place. Then next component is stepper motor. Now it shows the component list. From the list, I am selecting motor by stepper motor. Double-click it. Next component is L293D driver. It appears now. Double-click. Now close the Pick Devices window. You can see here your selected devices are here. Now I am picking the components from the list. Place it one by one on the schematic capture window. We are going to give the connection. According to my program in the microcontroller, I am using port 2. Now we are going to give the connection from microcontroller to L293D driver. Port 2.0 is connecting with second pin of the driver. Port 2.1 is connecting with 7th pin. Port 2.2 is connecting with 10th pin. And port 2.3 is connecting with 15th pin. Give the connection from driver 3rd, 6th, 11th, and 14th pin to stepper motor. From the terminal mode select and place the ground and connect with the driver. Connect the power with 1st, 9th and 16th pin. In the toolbar select Generator mode. From the list you have to select the DC power supply. Place it into the screen. Give the connection with 8th pin. Then double-click the DC power supply. Properties window is opened now. Here check and set 12 volt. Then press OK button. Give the power supply to the microcontroller. Now the circuit is ready. We are going to burn the coding into the microcontroller. For this double-click the microcontroller. Edit component dialog box is open now. Here we have to change the clock frequency from 12 MHz to 11.0592 MHz. Then in the program file I pressed open icon. It opens select file name dialog box. Browse the file. Double-click the objects folder. Here you can see the hex files. From the list, I am selecting stepmotor.hex. Then press OK. Now the circuit is ready to run the program. I press Run button. The motor is rotating now. Thank you.